Are you hitting the gym hard, following all the classic advice, yet still feel like your muscle growth is stuck in a rut? What if the secret to a stronger, more powerful body wasn't just about chicken and protein shakes? Today, we're going to reveal 6 healthy foods that strengthen muscles and that you are probably not eating. These are the silent heroes of the nutrition world, packed with unique nutrients that will give you a real edge. Before we dive in, do me a favor, hit that like button to help more people discover these amazing foods, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Number 1, quinoa. First up, a grain that acts more like a superpower. Quinoa, most people think of it as a fancy side dish, but it's actually one of the few plant-based foods that is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids needed for muscle building and repair. A cup of cooked quinoa packs around 8 grams of protein. Plus, it's full of fiber, magnesium, and iron. It's a fantastic alternative to rice or pasta, providing slow-release energy for your workouts. The Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture has highlighted quinoa's excellent nutritional profile, making it a great food for athletes and active individuals. It's a simple swap with a huge payoff. Number 2, lentils. Next, let's talk about the humble lentil. Lentils are a nutritional powerhouse, often overlooked in favor of meat. A single cup of cooked lentils provides a whopping 18 grams of protein and around 16 grams of fiber, which is fantastic for digestive health. But here's the kicker. They're also an incredible source of iron. Iron is critical for transporting oxygen to your muscles, and a deficiency can lead to fatigue and poor performance. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows that plant-based sources of iron, like lentils, can be effectively absorbed and utilized by the body, supporting muscle function. Add them to soups, stews, or salads for an easy muscle-boosting meal. Number 3, sardines. This one might surprise you, but don't knock it until you try it. Sardines, often overshadowed by salmon and tuna, are a goldmine of muscle-supporting nutrients. They are incredibly rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are powerful anti-inflammatory agents, which are crucial for reducing muscle soreness and speeding up recovery after intense workouts. They are also packed with calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for bone health. A review in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences confirmed the anti-inflammatory benefits of omega-3s on skeletal muscle. Just a few sardines on toast or in a salad can make a world of difference to your recovery. Number 4, edamame. Have you ever wondered what to snack on that isn't a protein bar? Look no further than edamame, or immature soybeans. They are one of the most complete plant-based proteins available, providing all the essential amino acids your muscles crave. A single cup of edamame contains around 17 grams of protein, along with a significant amount of branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs, particularly leucine, which is a key trigger for muscle protein synthesis. What's more, they are rich in isoflavones, which have been shown to have antioxidant properties. A study published in Nutrients demonstrated how soy protein can be just as effective as animal protein for muscle repair and growth. They're easy to find and even easier to prepare. Number 5, pumpkin seeds. Time for a snack you should be eating every day. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats, but their real superpower is their high content of magnesium and zinc. Magnesium is absolutely essential for muscle function and contraction, and a deficiency can lead to muscle cramps and fatigue. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition highlighted the importance of magnesium in optimizing exercise performance. Sprinkle them on salads, yogurt, or just eat them by the handful. Number 6, beetroot. Our final food might just be the most underrated. Beetroot. This vibrant root vegetable is rich in dietary nitrates. When you consume nitrates, your body converts them into nitric oxide, a molecule that helps relax and widen your blood vessels. This process, called vasodilation, improves blood flow and allows more oxygen and nutrients to be delivered to your muscles during exercise. This means you can train harder and for longer. Research from the University of Exeter found that drinking beetroot juice can boost endurance and reduce oxygen costs during exercise, directly improving performance. Try blending some beetroot into a pre-workout smoothie or roasting it as a side dish. So, there you have it. 6 powerful foods that you're probably not eating, but absolutely should be. Building a strong, resilient body isn't just about hitting your protein targets. It's about a diverse, nutrient-rich diet. Incorporating even one or two of these foods into your weekly routine can make a huge difference in your strength, performance, and recovery. Which of these foods are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are also on their fitness journey. We'll see you in the next video.